Hi everybody, this is Trees. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm finally gonna do the this leading ladies of Stranger Things um inspired makeup tutorial for the month of March, since this is International Women's Month. The holiday, International Women's Day was last Saturday, so it's about time that I finally do this series. So to kick off the series, I'm finally doing it. Yes. Okay. I'm going to copy this look onto this side of my face. So the character I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on, I'm inspired. Uh, Joyce Byers, played by the lovely and talented Winona Ryder. I love that. I've been a fan of Winona Ryder since the movie. I saw her in the movie Lucas in 1986, and I forgot the name of her character, but um, she plays a friend of Lucas, the title character played by Corey Haim. Rest in peace to him. But anyways, the point is, like, she was a friend. Wynonna played a friend of Lucas, who has a crush on him. I loved her ever since I saw her in the movie, and I love a bunch of her movies. And of course, Stranger Things. Before I love her in Stranger Things, I loved a lot of the movies that she was in and stuff like that. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. No time to waste. See me. Let me have a little swig of my lemon tea. It's all about meaning boiled ginger juice, ginger tea in Tagalog, Philippines. Okay, let's get started. Okay. So I'll do the best I can to remember every single place, or herself, like workplace or whatever, that only I'm doing the best I can to remember everything that's synonymous to Joyce in this video. Okay, let's get that straight. Okay. So from Max, Stranger Things, the Void palette. I'm gonna use this right over here. It's called Demogorgon. This is what it looks like. This one right over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that in Demogorgon in the crease as a transition color. Trying not to be so heavy-handed like I did here. Okay, so here we go. Damn, that's freaking pigmented. Damn, okay. Oh gosh, what the heck. Oh well, it's okay. It's alright. My family's hanging out in the living room watching a Tony Bennett special. Rest in peace to him too. Okay, so that's Demogorgon from Max, the Void palette. Okay, moving on to the next palette. I plan to use, as I recall, I'm just gonna plan to use 3 palettes to come up with a makeup look that's synonymous to Joyce. Fuck. Oops, I said a bad word. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna move on with the tutorial. If things drop, oh well. Okay, I'll figure things out. All right. You know what? Forget it. I'll use this this slanted makeup brush. Shoot. I'm gonna use the Colourpop times Stranger Things palette. Tell you which one I'm planning to use. I'm planning to use Castle Byers. I'm plan to use it in the inner corner. So this is what. So this is what it looks like on my finger. Okay. I don't know if this will work. Okay. All right. I'm gonna do like 1/4 of my um inner lid, like that. Okay. Trying to remember how I did this look. No, I'd why not go like this. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So that's that. Oh shoot. You know what? Yeah, I'm not gonna waste time. I'm trying to remember what else I'm gonna do. Okay. So that's that for that palette. Yeah, it looks darker in the pan in my opinion. Like this is Castle Byers right over here. This one right over here. It looks lighter on my lid than it does in the pan. So that's why I like to show you what it looks like on my fingertip, if anything at least. Okay, that's that. And then I'm on to my last and final palette that I plan to use. And it is again a Max. It's called the Max Stranger Things palette. The other one, it's class of 1986. And I've got to use this one because it's so synonymous with Joyce, and it's her old workplace, which is called Melvald's General Store. It's right over here. So this is what it looks like right over here. Lovely, like kind of like a turquoise aquamarine color. Okay, so I'm going to use the rest of this shade onto the 3/4 of my lid. 3/4 out of lid. Okay, very nice. Thank God. Well, I'm surprised that kind of looks similar to each other, but the one from the Castle Byers is slightly olive green. And then I'm gonna go like this. Yeah, I'm choosing not to wear any eyeliner. I'm not even wearing mascara, so so that's that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Colourpop times Stranger Things, and it's called Byers Natural Matte Finish, right over here. Look how cool this looks. Okay, I try not to put too much, so I'm gonna go like, it's pretty well pigmented. I'm just gonna, yeah, this is very pigmented. If I had primer or foundation primer, or I had some kind of foundation, it's gonna pop out even more. But without it, I don't need. That's it. Or else it's gonna bam deep. Okay, anything else? No, that's about it for that. Yeah, that's about it. I can put sweat out. It's not good. There you go. Whatever. And I know this product is more of a will thing, but this is Colourpop, this Stranger Things, and this is the liquid light glow drops. And this is what it looks like in the. This is why it's more like a will thing because of this, and then like, have you seen me and all that stuff. So, anyways, because it's called Hawkins Milk, so I might have, since it's that's not Joyce, but hey, you know, her Will was missing, so yeah. So the way that I ended up doing it is that I would put 3 dots on my outer cheekbone, and then I'm trying. Hopefully, I have this elf highlighter brush to blend it out like this. Or if I'm impatient, there you go. A little too slow. Yeah, I'm not gonna go like no. Long ass video. Woo. Okay. Yeah, that will do. Okay. Anything else? One more thing. I'm gonna use. Where's the box? Is it this one? I'm gonna use this one of the lip glosses in this set. You know, it's perfect because, you know, with the Christmas lights in order to and then the alphabet on the wall. It's Joyce's way to connect with her son Will, who was trapped in the upside down. And so, out of all these 3 gorgeous colors, I'm gonna do the blue shade, which is called what does it say? I think this is called, not run. I can't see. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Whatever. I'm gonna call it. It's gonna be run because who can forget that scene where she did contact her son, and her son is using the Christmas lights to communicate with her. So that was really creepy when like Joyce you know, when Joyce saw in the wall RUN, meaning run. So I was like, and then you saw the Demogorgon pop out of the wall and stuff like that. So creepy. Oh my god. So okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and use run on my lips. It's a lovely blue tint. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Okay, there you have it. My Joyce Byers inspired makeup tutorial. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye, and good night.